Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. In the last class, we discussed osmotic pressure and osmosis. So in this class, let us discuss types of solutions based on osmotic pressure. So the first one is isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions. So here, isotonic solutions are nothing but the two solutions having same osmotic pressure are called as isotonic solutions. So the two solutions having same osmotic pressure. The two solutions having same osmotic pressure are called as isotonic solutions. The two solutions having same osmotic pressure are called as isotonic solutions. When such type of two isotonic solutions are taken, no osmosis takes place. So that means in isotonic solutions, osmotic pressure of two solutions same, so that no osmosis takes place, no movement of solvent molecules takes place towards solution side through the semi-permeable membrane. That means in isotonic solutions, no osmosis takes place. So when the two solutions having the same osmotic pressures, then no osmosis takes place, no movement of solvent molecules takes place to the solution side through the semi-permeable membrane. Example 0.91% sodium chloride NaCl solution is called isotonic solutions. When a red blood cell or when animal cell is placed into the isotonic solution, is placed into the 0.91% NaCl solution, so then nothing will happen to the red blood cell or animal cell. So that means solvent molecules will not comes out of the red blood cells, or solvent molecules will not move into the animal cell, red blood cell. So that means nothing will happen to the size of the animal cell. Example, that is when RBC, red blood cells, or animal cell is placed in isotonic solution or placed in 0.91% NaCl, no plasmolysis or no turgidity. Takes place. That means when red blood cell or animal cell is placed into the isotonic solution or 0.91% concentration NaCl solution, the animal cell or RBC will not swelling takes place or will not shrinkage takes place. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ ನಾವು ಐಸೋಟಾನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಸೈಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಸೈಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವೆಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ in 0.91% NaCl solution. It is isotonic solution because that solution, the concentration of solution and the concentration present inside the animal cell have both the same osmotic pressures. So the solutions, the two solutions having same osmotic pressure are called as isotonic solution. The two solutions having same osmotic pressure, then no osmosis takes place. No movement of solvent molecules takes place into the solution through the semi-permeable membrane. When in such solutions, when in such type of isotonic solutions, red blood cells or animal cells are placed, then the cells will not swelling takes place or the cells will not shrinkage takes place. Next type of solutions are called as hypertonic solutions. Hypertonic solutions. Hypertonic solutions. So hypertonic solution is nothing but a very concentrated solution, a very highly concentrated. The highly concentrated solution having more osmotic pressure than any other solution. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೈ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಹೈಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಆಸ್ಮಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಚ್ ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಸ್ಮಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ hypertonic solution. That is the highly concentrated solution, having more osmotic pressure, the highly concentrated solution having more osmotic pressure than any other solution is called hypertonic solution. So the solution which is having more concentration and more osmotic pressure than any other solution is called as a hypertonic solution. So the concentration greater than 0.91% NaCl solution is called as hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution. So ಯಾವ NaCl solution 0.91% ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕರೀತೀವಿ hypertonic solution. So the concentration of NaCl greater than 0.91% is having more osmotic pressure than any other solution. Such a type of solution is called as hypertonic solution. When we place RBC cells, red blood cells or animal cell in such type of hypertonic solutions, then the cell shrinkage takes place. The cells shrinkage takes place because the solvent molecules from the animal cell or RBC cells comes out into the higher concentration solution, so that the cell size decreases, shrinkage takes place. So that is when RBC or animal cells are placed in hypertonic solutions having greater than 0.91% NaCl solution, then the cell shrinks due to the solvent molecules comes out of the cell. It is called the process is called plasmolysis. So whenever RBC or animal cell is placed in the highly concentrated hypertonic solution, then the solvent molecules comes out of the cell. All solvent molecules present in the cells comes out. As a result, the cell size shrinks. That process is called as plasmolysis. That process is called as a plasmolysis. Okay, next, third one is hypotonic. Hypotonic solutions. Hypotonic solutions are very dilute solutions. The dilute solutions having lower osmotic pressure than other liquids or other solution. ಬೇರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ಮಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. such type of very dilute solution having lower osmotic pressure than any other solution is called as hypotonic solutions. So that is the solutions are the dilute solutions. The diluted solutions having the dilute solutions having lower osmotic pressure. Lower osmotic pressure than any other solutions. Are called hypotonic solutions. Example, less than 0.91% NaCl solution is called hypotonic solution. So the solutions whose concentration is less than 0.91, such type of solutions have lower osmotic pressure than any other solution, are called as hypotonic solutions. When RBC cells or animal cells are placed in hypotonic solutions, when placed in hypotonic solutions, the cell shrink, that is the cells bulges or swells. The cells swells. The cells swells due to the entering of solvent molecules inside the cell. It is called as turgidity. So that is whenever the animal cells or red blood cells are placed in very dilute solutions having a lower osmotic pressure than any other solutions, then the solvent molecules from the solution side enters inside the animal cells. As a result, the cells swelling up takes place. That swelling up takes place is called as turgidity. Cell bulges takes place. Cell size increases because of the retention of water molecules inside the cells. So these are three types of solutions based on osmotic pressure. Next, applications of osmosis. Applications of osmosis. See, osmosis process takes place whenever the pulses are soaked in water. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ನ ವಾಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಸಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್. So it is number 1, pulses when soaked in water, they swells up. So swelling of pulses takes place when soaked in water. Next, meat is preserved by salting out. Meat is preserved by adding salt on the surface of meat, which prevents from bacterial action. So it is meat is preserved. By salting out or by adding salt which prevents from bacterial action, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಬೇಗ ಹಾಳಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪು ಸವರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ in which osmosis takes place. So whenever we add salt to the meat, osmosis takes place. All solvent molecules comes out of the meat and which prevents from bacterial action. And once again, during the preparation of pickles, raw mango pieces are placed into the highly concentrated saline water. So then, or saline solution, then all the water molecules comes out of the raw mangoes. Hence, raw mango pieces shrinkage takes place. Raw mangoes are during the pickling or during the preparation of pickles. During the preparation of pickles, raw mango pieces are placed in concentrated salt solution. Full stop. Due to osmosis, mango pieces shrinks. Shrinkage takes place. So that is during the preparation of pickles, raw mango pieces when placed in the highly concentrated solutions, in the highly concentrated salt solutions, so then the solvent molecules comes out of the raw mango pieces. So this osmosis takes place. As a result, so the mango pieces shrinkage takes place. Raw mango pieces shrinkage takes place. All the solvent molecules comes out of the cells. As a result, plasmolysis takes place. So these are some applications of osmosis.